All right, I'll admit it's a little janky, but it works. Got myself a crosscut sled. This, excuse the rustiness of my saw, but it binds a little bit on the rails. Any advice on how to fix that? I've got 2 pieces of scrap wood glued in and nailed in. I did it while it was in place, but I think they're just shy of the width here. Yeah, so that's what's creating a little bit of wobble. But if I press inward this way against, I guess this face of this rail, it doesn't bind. It doesn't give me a problem. So maybe it's just what I have to live with for now. Hopefully, though, this is a temporary setup to get through this project that I'm working on, which is some rails and styles for a door, cabinet door. Okay. All right.